How to enable or disable required open eyes with face recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Lock Screen and Always on Display. So after click on Lock Screen, so click on Screen Lock and Biometrics and enter your phone PIN and click on Continue. So click on biometrics and face recognition. So if you want to enable or disable require open eye, so you will see require open eyes here. So if you want to disable require open eyes, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see require open eyes is disabled. So if you want to enable require open eyes, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see require open eyes is enabled. So you will enable or disable require open eyes from here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable require open eyes with face recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.